1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, Jooba people? So this song is really beautiful. I haven't heard something as beautiful as this in a long time. And yeah, it was suggested by somebody in the community. You can grab the PDF for this in there. And yeah, very nice open D song. He tunes a lot lower than open D. I think he goes down to a C and then puts cap on 1. So it's like kind of C sharp, but he's not 100% in tune, you know, concert pitch. I did this in just normal drop D. No, open D, excuse me. And the tuning notes are as follows: D, A, D, F sharp, A, D. Okay. And yeah, let's go through it and I'll walk you through the chords that he uses and kind of the picking technique after that. So in the intro of the live print sessions, he uses this G and then the D over F sharp. So you kind of mute the 5th string and then he goes to the B minor here. And then the A. So he kind of plays the chorus progression. Just kind of alternating between thumb and index finger. But he's playing with the pick. All right, so that's the intro. But then when he switches over to the verse, then he goes to these chords. So he has D like that, this A. So now he's just adding one more finger there just to get it a little bit fuller. B minor and G. And sometimes with the G, he adds this finger on the 4th string to get that sharp 11 sound, just to get that longing sound. And then for the F sharp minor, technically this is a D over F sharp chord, but that's the one he uses in the verses and then later in the bridge. All right, now for the picking pattern, you're kind of always on the 6th string and 3rd string like this. But obviously that's not exactly how it sounds like. So it's a bit more messy like that because he's playing with a pick. So you could try this one. So kind of coming back to the 3rd string every time, but going 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. You know, until you come up with something that you enjoy playing. So don't try to mimic him exactly, but the thing is to keep it so doom 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 doom, the bass running on there. I mean, there's a lot you can play around with that. Now, chord progressions. Basically intro and choruses, I've played a million times now. You got it. So it's G for a football. 1, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. Whoa, whoa, I'm sorry. Whoa. You can hear the sound, all right? And then for the verse, we've got a D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second time through, we got D. I can play D like this or like that. It's the same thing. And then we go to the F sharp minor. G. And then when you get to the chorus, it starts with just this, and I didn't notate it on here, but the chorus is the same as the intro progression. But before we do it, we just go. So you got from the F sharp minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the idea. Okay, this is notated nicely in the thing. Yeah, you get the idea. Okay, then after the second chorus, then we go to the bridge, which kind of picks up the whole pace. It's like this. I'm sorry. Back to chorus. Okay, and if you see this on one page, it's a really nice one-page document that you can use to easily just remember the song. So 2-page document. First page is going to be the technical sheet with the chord progressions, and then second page is going to be the chords and lyrics. All right, enjoy. See you in another video. Fun song to play.